Welcome back to Low Buck Builds. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick video on replacing the 4x4 selector switch in my 2017 Suburban. I watched a few videos online. I almost broke my trim because mine was a little bit different. The online videos always show the Silverados and the Yukons, but there's actually two more bolts up underneath, and I almost cracked my trim by trying to do it the way they showed. So I decided to throw up a quick video on how to do it correctly. It's going to be down and dirty, nothing fancy. So if you have this series of Suburban and you want to save some money by installing it yourself, then this is a video for you. I should have been a fishing YouTuber. Apologize for the voiceover. I didn't have my lapel mic plugged in all the way, so I got no sound at all out of the video. So anyway, I'm getting the transmission replaced in the Suburban, and I'm doing a couple of things. I'm replacing the battery, and I'm replacing the switch to save some money. The shop quoted me $130 for the part, and an hour of labor at $160 to do this switch. The part cost me $60 for OEM off of Amazon. Links in the description. Exact same part, and then I saved $160 off of the labor. So overall, I saved some serious money just on this switch by doing it myself, and I can show you how to do it as well. So let's get to it. It can always be different depending on what Suburban you have. They have different trim packages, but on mine, the first thing you're going to want to do is pop this clip up above the switches, and then over on the right, this upper switch, pop those two clips, and that's going to be the start. So I didn't get a great view of it, but next you want to take off the side fuse panel cover. Next, there's two small Torx bit screws that you have to remove in order to get the bottom panel off. Next, there was two bolts underneath. I believe they were 7mm if I remember correctly. You have to remove those bolts, remove the switch. This is what was not in the online tutorials that I seen. They were pop clips, and that's what almost caused me to crack my trim because it wasn't coming off without removing these two bolts. Now you should be able to pull the full assembly forward. The switch has one of those safety pieces you got to pull forward. So I'm going to go get a flathead screwdriver real quick, and then we'll go ahead and get this plug removed. So I found it easier just to remove the whole panel. Then disconnect all the switches, switch out the one switch, and then reconnect everything and put it back. Then it's just a reverse of what you did. Put the two bolts back down in the bottom, the 7mm. Get those put in just barely tight. Don't over torque them and crack stuff. Once you get those two bolts in, then push the panel back up and put your two Torx back into the side of the fuse box panel. It'll take some finessing to get everything back together. As you can see, I got a little bit of gap now from torquing on that, and that's one of the reasons why I want to make this video and put it out, is so that you know there could be possibly two bolts underneath there that could be causing it not to come out just by using the trim tool. So like I said before, this was just a short and sweet video on how to do this. I wish I would have got a little bit better camera angles on a lot of it, but I was in a rush when I did it. So if you like it, hit that like button if it helps you out. And if you want to see more videos like this, as always, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.